If you're looking to strengthen, trim, and tone your waist without getting down on the ground, let me show you how. Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, and I want you to stick around until the end where I share with you the ultimate secret to success on your fitness journey. That being said, go ahead, grab your chair, get comfy, and let's dive into this abtastic routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, working through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or optional to add a toe touch. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. As you reach opposite hand to leg, continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Moving into a side bend variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Transitioning into a lateral stretch variation. Inhale at the top. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your side body. Adding a twist, pausing at the top, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently twisting from right to left. With each inhale, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently twist, maintaining your hips facing forward, moving from your waist, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, moving into a side leg lift variation. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Alternate lifting each leg up, out to the side and back to center, flowing from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while creating more mobility in your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a leg extension. With a straight leg, lift up, out to the side, and back to center, alternating right and left. Continue with this movement, keeping your legs straight and strong, contracting through your leg muscles. Release and step your feet back to center. Moving into another leg lift variation, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Continue with this movement, and for more ease, return to the alternate leg lift variation. Stay connected to your breath as you keep your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Moving into a knee raise variation, draw both knees in towards your chest and lower. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, moving at your own pace, resting when you need to. Pause and hold with both legs lifting. For a boat pose variation, continue to lift through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and set both feet to the earth, returning to center. Moving into one more seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, twist to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the key to success on your fitness journey, it's consistency. The ability to stick with it and do your best to finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone while feeling healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. Also, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.